Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and cancel Spotify premium subscription. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So canceling your Spotify premium subscription generally requires you to use a web browser regardless of whether you are on an Android, iOS, or desktop device. You cannot cancel a subscription directly through the mobile apps. So, first things first, log into your account, open a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox on your phone, tablet, or computer, and navigate to the Spotify account page. You may need to log in if you aren't already. Once logged in, you should be on your account overview page. Scroll down to the Your Plan section. Under your current plan details, click on the Change Plan option, cancel. Simply scroll down to the Cancel Spotify Premium section and simply click on Cancel Premium. Confirm cancellation. Follow the on screen prompts until you see a confirmation message that your subscription has been cancelled. You will be able to use premium feature until your next billing date. I hope this video clarified a lot. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see